2019 BMW M6 Gran Turismo, 2019 BMW M6 Convertible, 2019 BMW M6 Coupe, 2019 BMW M6 GT, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming from BMW brand. The title of the article we take is 2019 BMW M6 Gran Turismo, 2019 BMW M6 Convertible, 2019 BMW M6 Coupe, 2019 BMW M6 GT, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 BMW M6 Gran Turismo, 2019 BMW M6 Convertible, 2019 BMW M6 Coupe, 2019 BMW M6 GT, new cars by. Despite the fact that BMW has arranged several changes and enhancements for its 2019 BMW M6 Gran Coupe, it is most likely that it vacation has a dim strategy to his property. It can be really probable that the company may not notably assume that any type of convertible to 2018 6 additionally series simply because they must focus on the Coupe and Gran Coupe. It is actually reliable, but we are able to discover the last design of the convertible of your Series 6. 2019 BMW M6 redesign. The most up-to-date car publication scenario shows that the upcoming 6ER will likely be known as G15 and will also be lighter compared to what we certainly have in our aisles nowadays. Created on the 3.5 UP structures, that can also obtain a new title, CLAR, the new Coupe, Convertible, and Gran Coupe models is going to be lighter in weight as much as 200 kilograms, 442 pounds. There can also be greater differentiation in between the Coupe and the Cabriolet on the one hand and the Gran Coupe on the other. Although the second option will target a lot more interior chairs and luxury, the other two will make an effort to modify the way folks perspective them as major travelers rather of sports cars. This is in which the Porsche aspect is needed. The persona of GT that the present models had been not loved by the administration who wishes to go returning to its roots. This implies lighter in weight building, far better elastokinematics and a greater total driving a vehicle practical experience. 2019 BMW M6 engine and performance. BMW can play the technology greeting card, in accordance with Car Journal. The company's after that major coupe is going to be provided with a sophisticated rear tire directing system and a whole atmosphere revocation, even though each product is going to be located on the possibilities collection. Mechanically, the 6 Series will usher in a completely new 6-cylinder tuned inline to build 550 horsepower at the V8 by means of the use of several turbochargers, although the M6 continue with a twin turbocharged V8 to in excess of 600 horsepower. 2 versions of rear rims and all-wheel drive will likely be accessible. 2019 BMW M6 release date and price. We are going to find out more about the approaching 2019 BMW M6 in the emerging weeks. He will reach the conclusion of 2018 or the commencing of 2019, regardless of what develops it will take. Thanks.